Hello, Namaskar to everyone. Myself, Dr. Dhanaj Masal from Chhatrapati Shivaji College, Satara, District Satara of Maharashtra State. I am delivering this lecture on the invitation of Dr. N.G. Prakash. There were three Anglo-Maratha wars fought between the late 18th century and the beginning of 19th century between the British and the Marathas. In the end of the war, the Maratha power was destroyed and British supremacy established in India. Now we turn to the second Anglo-Maratha War, which took place between 1803 to 1805. After the Battle of Plassey, the British sealed their power in India. British gradually began to increase their power by interfering in local politics. Their ambition was to build their empire all over India. Defeating the Nizam, Lord Wellesley forced him to accept the subsidiary alliance. Tipu Sultan was killed in the Battle of Seringapatam on 4th May 1799 by Lord Wellesley. After 1799, there was no local power in India that could oppose the British except the Maratha. Lord Wellesley, the Governor General who came to India in 1798, was very cunning and clever. He paid close attention to the politics of the Marathas. He was in waiting for an opportunity to interfere in the politics of Maratha, and soon that opportunity came for the British. During the last decade of 19th century, the Maratha Confederacy consisted of 5 major chiefs, namely the Peshwa of Pune, the Gaikwad of Barda, the Holkars of Indore, Sindhia of Gwalior, and Bhosle of Nagpur. There were internal squabbles among major chiefs of Maratha Confederacy. Bajirao II, the son of Raghunath Rao, was installed as the Peshwa after the death of Madhavrao II. Since then, the internal politics of Marathas has deteriorated a lot. On the advice of Daulat Rao Shinde, Bajirao II did injustice to the Holkar family. Yashwantrao Holkar initially tried to settle the dispute amicably, but was ignored by the Peshwa Bajirao II. After the death of Tukoji Holkar, Kashirao was made the head of Holkar family by Peshwa on the advice of Daulat Rao Shinde. Daulat Rao Shinde and Bajirao II believed that Holkar would remain under their control as Kashirao was not able to govern. Kashirao's other 3 brothers, Mallarao, Vithoji, and Yashwantrao, repeatedly requested the Peshwa to appoint Mallarao Holkar as the head of Holkar family, but Bajirao ignored it. So Mallarao, Vithoji, and Yashwantrao Holkar revolted against the Peshwa. Bajirao captured Mallarao Holkar with his family and imprisoned them. Vithoji Holkar was killed by giving him under the elephant's foot. Yashwantrao Holkar gathered his army and tried to defeat Shinde and Bajirao. Maheshwar made his capital by conquering many places in North India. Ujjain and Indore was brought under his control. He then requested to Bajirao Peshwa for justice be done to him, and Peshwa kept away himself from the advice of Daulat Rao Shinde. But Peshwa ignored his requests. Therefore, Yashwantrao Holkar marched on the Peshwas and Shinde with a large army. The brave, mighty, and courageous Yashwantrao Holkar attacked on Daulat Shinde and Peshwa. The Battle of Holkar against Shinde and Peshwa took place on 25th October 1802 at Hadapsar near Pune. In it, Yashwantrao Holkar defeated combined forces of Peshwa and Shinde. After his defeat, Bajirao II went to Vasai under the protection of British. Bajirao II requested to Colonel Close to help him. On 31st December 1802, the Treaty of Vasai was signed between British and Bajirao II. Accordingly, Bajirao accepted the subsidiary alliance of the British. At this time, Yashwantrao Holkar and other Maratha chiefs were advising Bajirao not to take refuge of the British. They were requesting that the dispute be settled amicably. However, Bajirao accepted the subsidiary alliance of British and mortgaged the independence of Hindvi Swarajya. Bajirao lost sovereignty and defended his body through this treaty of Vasai. As per this treaty, Bajirao II ceded territory to the British and agreed to the maintenance of British troops in his region. Holkar, Scindia and the Bhosle did not accept this treaty, and this caused the Second Anglo-Maratha War in the part of central India in 1803. Lord Wellesley, well prepared to fight with the Maratha chiefs, as the Maratha chiefs would oppose the British. The Treaty of Vasai ushered in the Second Anglo-Maratha War. The Second Anglo-Maratha War broke out between 1803 and 1805. In oppose of the Treaty of Vasai, Shinde, Bhosle and Holkar started a war with British. Holkar did not help Shinde and Bhosle due to internal conflict after the British prepared for the attack on Shinde and Bhosle, and it was the mistake of Yashwantrao Holkar. Arthur Wellesley and General Lake appointed against Shinde in the North India. Lord Wellesley challenged European officials under Shinde to quit Shinde job. Accordingly, all the European officials went and met to the British. As a result, Shinde's military strength was diminished.